First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. Whether you're looking to increase the value of your property, attract potential buyers, or simply enhance the overall look of your house, improving your home's curb appeal can make a significant difference. One of the most impactful ways to boost curb appeal is by installing a new door. In Houston, where weather, architecture, and design trends are always evolving, choosing the right door can dramatically transform the exterior of your home. Here's how upgrading your front door can make a big difference and what you should consider when making your choice. Choosing the right style for your home. Your front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior, and it's often one of the first things people notice. Whether you own a classic colonial, a modern contemporary, or a traditional bungalow, there are countless door styles that can complement your home's architectural design. In Houston, homes come in a variety of styles, and it's important to choose a door that aligns with your home's character. For example, traditional homes opt for a wooden door with detailed paneling or glass inserts. Modern homes go for sleek, minimalist designs like a glass-paneled steel or fiberglass door. Craftsman or bungalow styles choose a door with a natural wood finish and simple, clean lines to enhance the rustic charm. Boosting security with a new door. A well-chosen door doesn't just improve your home's appearance, it also plays a vital role in security. In Houston, where weather conditions can sometimes be unpredictable, having a sturdy, well-constructed door can give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected. Many modern doors offer additional security features like multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and durable materials that prevent forced entry. When selecting a new door, look for materials such as steel. Offers the best security, with high resistance to break-ins and extreme weather. Fiberglass. This material is durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, while also providing additional security features. Solid wood. While beautiful and classic, wood doors can be reinforced for added security. Improving energy efficiency. In Houston, where temperatures can range from hot and humid summers to cooler winters, energy efficiency is an essential consideration. A new door can help regulate the temperature inside your home by preventing drafts and heat loss. Insulated doors, in particular, are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round and can even help lower energy bills. Fiberglass doors, for example, are excellent insulators, often with polyurethane cores that provide superior insulation. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option, energy-efficient doors will also add long-term savings by keeping your HVAC system from overworking. Color and finish can make a big statement. Your front door's color is a chance to showcase your personal style and make a bold statement. Whether you choose a vibrant hue or a neutral tone, the color of your door sets the tone for your home's entire exterior. In Houston, where bright and bold colors are popular, a deep navy blue, rich red, or even a golden yellow can make your door stand out. On the other hand, classic shades like charcoal gray or elegant black are timeless and versatile, complementing almost any style. Before selecting a color, consider the following. Does the color contrast or complement the rest of your home's exterior, including the roof, trim, and landscaping? Think about how the door's finish will weather over time. Some finishes can fade in the Houston sun, so choose one that is durable and can withstand the humidity. Enhancing the entryway with hardware. Once you've selected the perfect door, don't forget about the finishing touches. The hardware you choose, such as handles, locks, and hinges, can further elevate your door's look and make it stand out. Brass, chrome, and matte black finishes are popular choices that can complement your door's color and style. Adding decorative elements like a beautiful door knocker or custom hardware can create a welcoming vibe and further enhance your curb appeal. Professional installation for long-lasting results. While it may be tempting to tackle a door replacement on your own, professional installation ensures the door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and provides the intended benefits. In Houston's humid environment, proper installation is crucial to prevent air leaks, water damage, or the warping of materials. A professional installer will have the expertise to choose the correct weather seals, align the door properly, and make sure everything is securely fitted. Conclusion. Investing in a new door is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your home's curb appeal in Houston. Whether you're updating your home for personal satisfaction or planning to sell, the right door can increase your home's beauty, security, and energy efficiency. With so many options available, from style to materials and finishes, there's no reason not to make your entryway the best it can be. If you're looking to upgrade, consult with a professional to find the ideal door that fits your needs and enhances your home's exterior.